In a world overflowing with distractions, the Socratic notion of self-examination shines like a beacon. It beckons those who seek truth amidst the noise, urging them to delve deep into their own beliefs and motivations. Socrates instilled the wisdom that an unexamined life lacks true value, making it imperative for individuals to embark on this introspective journey. The initial step demands questioning one's assumptions, prompting inquiries like, "What do I believe about success?" And this process ignites the flame of curiosity that leads to profound self-reflection, challenging one to unravel the roots of their convictions. As we unravel our beliefs, it becomes vital to explore our values hierarchy. Individuals often claim to value certain aspects of life, yet their daily choices tell a different story. By analyzing the discrepancies between stated values and actions, one can decipher the essence of their identity. During moments of pride, we can pinpoint the values guiding us toward fulfillment, while feelings of shame often reveal betrayals of our core principles. In this exploration, the role of self-awareness unfolds, serving as a compass that directs us toward a life attuned to our authentic selves. Words wield immense power. They shape our perception of reality. By examining our definitions, we reclaim that power. What does it truly mean to be successful? Is it confined to societal expectations of wealth and recognition, or can we redefine it to encompass personal fulfillment and meaningful connections? Socrates encourages a questioning mindset, prompting, "What would success look like if you defined it yourself?" This introspection fosters clarity, unveiling the deeper motivations that govern our aspirations. Failure to define happiness, love, or success leaves room for external influences to dictate our pursuits. Through this process, individuals gain agency over their narratives, setting them on transformative paths toward significance. As curiosity blooms, embrace the essence of the power of why. This technique, reminiscent of a child's endless questioning, teases apart layers of understanding. By peeling back these layers, you arrive at the core motivations that shape decisions. The initial complaint, like dissatisfaction with a job, morphs into a search for purpose and alignment with values. Like a river navigating through rocks, this journey reveals the true essence of one's desires. In discussions about relationships or personal growth, the why questions shine a light on unexamined emotions and fears, guiding us toward deeper insights. Ultimately, this practice cultivates intellectual humility, paving the way to growth and self-acceptance, as Socrates would have it, acknowledging the vast landscape of what remains unknown. Every evening, commit 10 minutes to a transformative practice that unfolds the layers of your consciousness. Start with a single question, a gentle prompt meant to pull insights from the depths of your thoughts. Don't dwell on crafting the perfect answer. Instead, allow your reflections to flow naturally, like a river carving its path through the landscape of your mind. Consider the question posed each night, beginning your week with an inquiry into personal growth. What did I learn about myself today? And this launches a spiral of introspection, revealing hidden truths and lessons etched into the fabric of daily experiences. Tackling each prompt provides a unique lens to view your journey, illuminating assumptions that may be clouding your judgment, followed by the courageous exploration of what you may be avoiding. As the week unfolds, familiarize yourself with the challenges of introspection. On Tuesday, question your beliefs. What assumption did I make that might not be true? This simple yet profound inquiry allows you to deconstruct biases and expand your worldview. On Wednesday, bravely confront those uncomfortable feelings. What am I avoiding and why? This moment of honesty invites clarity and potential healing, revealing chords you may wish to cut as you delve deeper into your psyche. As you approach the weekend, exercise courage through your thoughts. What would courage look like right now? And this prompts vivid imagery of taking bold steps, reimagining life choices that echo with authenticity. On Friday, observe recurring themes by asking, what pattern am I repeating, and what might it teach me? This reflection could unveil repetitive behaviors, granting you insight to break cycles that no longer serve you. Saturday's reflection, if I trusted myself completely, what would I do differently? Some allows you to cast off doubts, envisioning a version of yourself unrestrained by fear. Finally, culminate your week with the poignant question, what question am I afraid to ask myself? This encapsulates the essence of Socratic wisdom, exposing the vulnerabilities buried beneath everyday living. The Socratic journal practice bridges the ancient pursuit of knowledge with modern personal growth, igniting a spark for deeper understanding amidst a world saturated with noise. Through these inquiries, the Socratic method transforms into a daily tool, guiding you toward clarity, better decision-making, and a more authentic existence. Cut through the chaos surrounding you as you embrace the power of asking rather than merely answering, unlocking the door to self-discovery and genuine connection with your true self. The examined life holds treasures waiting to be discovered. Are you brave enough to seek them?